Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 20. We are almost through with this Cookmas. Again, I appreciate you guys so much for joining me along for Cookmas this year. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make what's called a Wacky Cake. So the Wacky Cake is also known as a Joe Cake or a Crazy Cake or a Wowie Cake. But it was mainly a cake that was made during the Depression. And it was called Wacky because it was unique because it did not have any eggs, butter, or milk, which were some of the items that were short in the Depression. So people had to make do with what they had, and if they wanted a sweet chocolate cake, this was one of the cakes that they probably made. So as you can see, it only takes a few ingredients. We've got some coffee that has been cooled, sugar, baking soda, vegetable oil, salt, vanilla, white vinegar, cocoa powder, and then flour. So this is going to make a simple but tasty chocolate cake. It's also a vegan friendly cake because there is no dairy involved. So hopefully you guys are excited for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started.
Looking like we getting something started today. Cause our body no play. Tell them girl levels to the glow. Murder on the dance floor, how you moving it, babe? I'm taking the bait. I just wanna dance with you all night, yeah. Me no care what happen tomorrow. Girl, you got me caught in the moment. Feeling like I knew you all my life, oh. I can take my eyes off you, baby. When you pull me close to the body, get the party started now. Girl, you such a good find. You deserve a good time. Let me hold you down. Body floating like a cruise line. Won't you be my moonshine? Cause you are. Like a running back, all over your body like a lumberjack. Me and you against the world, we running that. Tell them bring the bottles to the section, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm celebrating with the baddest one here. Looking like a goddess in here. Wanna lose myself with you tonight, yeah. Forget all about all my sorrows. Girl, you got me caught in the moment. It's like I knew you all my life, oh. Baby, I can feel the connection. I'm ready to start a commotion.
Hey guys, so this is the Wacky Cake. Wacky Cake meaning there are no dairy products in here, in the cake at least. So there's no eggs, no butter, or milk inside the cake. I did go ahead and add my own buttercream frosting, so the cake is not vegan friendly anymore, but you don't have to add the frosting. You can just eat the chocolate cake. It is still a delicious traditional chocolate cake that you can make for any occasion. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me that thumbs up. Go ahead and drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried Wacky Cake. Share this video out. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.